Why you should invest in physical things. Elon Musk's investing advice. Tesla Motor Inc. CEO Elon Musk advised followers to own physical things when inflation is high in a Twitter thread in March, after inflation reached a 40-year high for the first time this year. In the tweet, Musk said, "As a general principle for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high." Musk then added, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum or Doge for what it's worth." The most important takeaway for some followers appears to be that Musk is still holding his Dogecoin, as the cryptocurrency's price briefly spiked following the tweet. The more important message from Musk, however, is that physical assets are generally the safest investment during times of high inflation. This message from the Doge father himself should be taken seriously. With the unexpected 8.6% rise in the consumer price index for May following April's data indicating that inflation was beginning to cool, it's becoming increasingly important for investors to consider diversifying their portfolios with physical assets. Savers who buy tangible assets for investment purposes see them as a form of value diversification and a hedge against economic uncertainty. Some people believe that tangible assets have a higher chance of producing high returns than capital assets like stocks and bonds. If and when it makes sense as part of your overall financial plan, you should consider investing in tangible assets. Outside of an account balance, financial statement, or exchange market, tangible assets exist. To put it another way, tangible assets have a physical form as well as an inherent value. You've probably already invested in physical assets in some way, such as purchasing a home or car, collecting art, preserving a family heirloom, or purchasing gold or silver jewelry. Most investment publications refer to tangibles as alternative investments, which include real estate, gold bullion, art, antiques, and other collectibles. These asset classes have a low correlation with the stock and bond markets. Some are even counter-cyclical. Investing in tangible assets can limit your exposure to overall market risk in ways that most intangible assets cannot. On top of that, many tangible assets, particularly bullion coins and bars, are marketed as providing inflation protection. The use of tangible goods as an inflation hedge appears to be supported by history. The purchasing power of the dollar fell by 95% in more than 100 years following the establishment of the Federal Reserve. During the same time period, the inflation-adjusted value of an ounce of gold increased by more than 2,500%. Any bullion magazine will tell you that gold has been valuable for thousands of years and has never had a zero value. This is technically correct as well, since at least ancient Egypt, gold has served as a source of jewelry and exchange, and unlike intangible assets, always carries economic value. On top of that, many tangible investments can have a positive psychological impact. You may purchase a collectible or work of art because you value both its display and its investment potential. Similarly, while your home is a long-term tangible asset, it also serves many important functions for you and your family. Investment in tangible assets provides the unique combination of immediate personal satisfaction or utility and the possibility of increased future consumption due to price appreciation. With intangible assets, this is less likely. But what are the best physical assets for investment? Gold is at the top of the list of the best physical assets to invest in. There is no doubt that gold has been a popular investment for many years. It has previously assisted individuals and even governments in surviving economic turmoil. It has also proven to be the best for portfolio diversification. You can buy gold jewelry, coins, or bars from dealers like Acre. All you have to do is understand their advantages and disadvantages. Once you decide what will best fit your needs, you can choose where to buy. Invest your time into research to avoid getting scammed. Building vacation homes is another option for investment. People want to get away from their hectic schedules and relax at various vacation destinations. You can find a vacation destination with a housing shortage and set up vacation homes there. This is a profitable business that can bring in money all year. You can make money by renting out these homes during the off-seasons. However, it is best to identify the most popular vacation destinations. The more popular the destination, the greater the return. Rental properties can still be considered in the real estate industry. This is an excellent investment because it can generate income throughout the year. Surprisingly, you can always convert the rental property to your home or use it for personal purposes. Furthermore, rental properties are not only beneficial for income generation, they are an excellent investment that will grow in value over time. All you have to do is keep them up and renovate them to increase their value over time. This makes it simple to sell such property at any time. These are the best examples of tangible assets that can be turned into profitable investments. All that remains is for you to decide which of these options best meet your needs and preferences. However, if you invest wisely and manage your investments properly, you will not go wrong with any of them. For instance, investment in gold is an excellent idea, however, you must decide where to invest your money. Physical gold is available in 3 forms: gold bars, coins, and jewelry. The goal should be to invest in what you can afford, while also receiving a good return on your investment.